Now the topic before us is building customer trust. Use secure payment gateways for your website. When a person approaches our website and the user is purchasing an item, and at the last it has to make the payment. For that purpose, as a website, we normally use the services of payment gateway. The payment gateway may be such as Apple Pay, it may be Google Pay, or it may be PayPal or any other. When we opt for secure payment gateway, it protects the financial information of the customers. When a user enters his credit card details, username, pass, or other information in respect of himself or herself, then the secure payment gateway protects that information in the encrypted form. When it is encrypted, the hacker does not have access to that because it is coded. Even if hacker assesses that information, it is not in readable form. So the secure payment gateway provides us the facility of data encryption. When the data travels between the website and the payment gateway, it is in encrypted form. Then the secure payment gateway also provides us the facility of fraud detection, because the secure payment gateway has a sophisticated technology in respect of fraud detection system. If there is any suspicious activity or fraudulent activity, the secured payment gateway blocks that transaction. Then it secured payment gateway also complies with international standards. What are those? This is PCI DSS, that is payment card industry data security standards. When the secured payment gateway follows these international level security features, then it increases the confidence of the customers. So, as a whole, when your website opts for secure payment gateway, the customers feel that even if they make any transaction online with that website, then their information is fully protected, because the payment gateway is a reputed company. It may be Apple, Google, or Pay, or backed by some another company. So as a website, we must always avail the services of secured payment gateway. It not only provides increases the confidence level of the customers, but it also builds the brand image of the company. Now the topic before us is empowering users, protecting websites, a comprehensive approach to security. It often happens that there are social engineering attacks. In the case of social engineering attack, these are not concerned with any weakness in our website, any weakness in our themes, plugins, or software. No. These social engineering attacks are concerned with the psychology of human beings. It may happen that we may receive a message on our mobile or we may receive an email from some hacker or cyber attacker, and they will ask us to do certain things immediately. Suppose they may post that they are from your bank and there are some suspicious activities in your account, and you need to click on the link given below. And what happens? You immediately click on the same, then you fill your username, password, and then you find out whether there are any suspicious activities in your account. No, it should not be so. Even when you receive any sort of SMS or email message in your account from any person, you must not check the same immediately on the same device. Even if you want to check, you should use any other device, and you should not click on the link given in the SMS or in the email. You should separately check. Either you should go to the bank or you can check it on the online website, which is accurate. Because if you check it from that, you will be in a trap, because all your credentials will be leaked to the online attacker, and it may cause you some financial loss, or your website may be hacked. It may be also possible that you are entering a building and you find a very attractive and of a branded company USB is lying there. You get tempted and you pick it, and then you take it to your office and use it on your desktop or laptop. What happens? It may be possible that this is USB has been planted by the hacker or cyber attacker. When you will use this USB on your system, then it may plant some malicious software on your device, and that malicious software will act as spy, and all your activities on the computer, that is your login information, what you have seen, what are your login credentials to different sites, all will be leaked to the attacker or hacker. Or even the hacker may get control of your website. So whenever you find any USB lying at any place, leave it there. Do not use it. If you receive a USB from some unknown source, if you find something being offered, free gift, free software, free USB, do not get tempted. Do not click on that link, or do not opt for that free gift, because in this materialistic world nothing is available for free. These are just traps. Whenever a person is offering you something in free, think many times, because it may be a trap. So we should understand a very important point, that cyber attackers or hackers are very intellectual persons. They are always busy in finding out new and new ways of social engineering attacks. They are always busy in finding out the ways in which they can manipulate your thinking. We should, for that purpose, we should also update our knowledge with regard to the cyber education. We should make use, subscribe to some newsletters which are on the subject of cyber education, or we can attend some webinar, or we can attend some workshops, so that we can remain aware of the latest developments in the field of cyber technology. It is not that we provide one-time education or one-time training to our employees how to remain vigilant with regard to social engineering tax. It is not that. It should be a routine affair. The employees should be updated on the with regard to the cyber attacks from time to time. It should be a ongoing process. Then we can also make use of Google alerts. They can provide you the knowledge with regard to the cyber attacks which are relevant to your industry in which your website is working. Though Google Alerts will not provide you any feedback or any knowledge with regard to your particular website or the weaknesses in your website, it can provide you broadly the what is the what are the weaknesses which are being faced by your industry from the cyber angle. So as a whole, we have to develop mindset in such a way that we do not get tempted by any free gift, and we do not click on any message or email from any unknown source, and we do not open any attachment which is received by us by a way of any email. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.